Need some extra space? With the Mini Luggage Basket, you can transport more luggage on your Mini's roof. First things first, unlock the cover with the key and take it out. Use the key's backside and make a quarter turn to open the other covers. Open and remove them too. Use the torque wrench to loosen all 8 screws. Don't forget, also loosen the 4 anchor points. Next, open the covers of the roof carrier and remove the rubber strips. Lift the luggage basket on the roof and place it centrally from the side. Adjust all mounting plates to the roof carrier position. Use the torque wrench to tighten all 8 screws again. First, thread in the sliding block screws, then lift the luggage basket over it. Repeat this for all sliding blocks. Position the luggage basket centrally. And screw on all clamping bolts. Put the 4 covers back on, close, and lock them. Safe. Finally, close and lock the covers of the roof carrier. Make sure to tighten and secure your luggage accordingly. Check out our other how-to videos for more about your Mini.